Hey, Elsie Allen Lobos. My name is Priscilla Jaworski-Quintanilla, and on behalf of Redwood Credit Union, I'm just thrilled to be here with you today. A little bit about myself. I grew up here in Sonoma County, moved here at the age of second grade or in second grade, and really consider this my home. It's my stomping ground and a very special place in my heart. I'm second generation Latina. My mom is from El Salvador, and my dad is from Nicaragua. So depending on the day, I'm either Salvinica or Nicara Salvi. I went to college to the University of Southern California, USC, and majored in international relations with a minor in theater. And after college, actually spent 8 years of my professional career in Los Angeles, primarily doing nonprofit and government sector work, specifically marketing in those two sectors. And once my husband and I wanted to raise a family, we said, hey, no better place than Sonoma County, so let's move back up. And when we moved back up here, we really had to start our careers from scratch. And been here back 11 years, but I've been with Redwood Credit Union for the last 8 years, and it's just been really a great place for me. If you would have told me 10 years ago that I would be working in financial services, I would have told you you'd be crazy. But now that I'm here with RCU, my journey here, it all makes sense, and really appreciate everything that I've learned through working at RCU. So that's a little bit about myself. What can you do to prepare yourself for your future career? Well, you're doing it right now. You are investing the time in yourself to learn, to be curious about what people do and what you can do to prepare. And so having that mindset of just curiosity, I think, is really critical. And then investing time in yourself, always prioritizing that is really critical. Obviously, internships are really key. So whenever you have those opportunities to do that, because it gives you a better sense of what to anticipate in the real world. But another thing I've been doing, actually, in all my professional career and even in college, and I have about 15 years under my belt professionally, is I do something called informational interviews. And if you Google informational interviews, it kind of give you a gist of what it is and some recommended questions. But when you connect with someone that you're curious about what they do or interested to how they got into what they're doing as a career, or maybe interested in moving into that career, I just ask for a 1 hour lunch or coffee chat period, and basically ask them some questions to learn about their experience, their career, what they do, and how they got there. And it's always cool to hear people's professional stories. More often than not, they will have started in one field or studied one thing, and then they've ended up a different place. And so it's really fun to kind of hear people's stories. And sometimes people studied and are doing exactly what they studied, which is pretty cool. So informational interviews are something I really recommend for you, not just now, but throughout your whole career. What do I like about my job? Well, one of the special things about working for a bigger size company is that there's lots of opportunities for growth. So, for example, for me at Redwood Credit Union, what I love is I started out in the marketing department, was there for 5 years, and then moved to our community department, got to do a lot of great support, and that officially is my title. I'm still in the community department. And then most recently, I was asked to join our business services division to help with all of the stimulus funds and programs that are going out from the federal government to support our business community. So now I get to do business services, and it's been so cool because every step of the way I get to learn something new. I get to learn a different side of the business. I also get to deepen my skill set or develop new skill sets, but I also feel like I'm getting my skills and talents are being fully maximized. So for someone like me that likes to wear different hats, has different skill sets, that's really important. I like things to be dynamic. I like to change things. I get bored really quickly. And so RCU in particular has that great type of environment for me where if I'm interested about project management, we have a division for that. We have facilities. We have an IT department. We have our branches, right? The core of our business, lending. So there's all these kind of sub areas in RCU that really, it's an opportunity for growth and for learning, which is critical for me, and really working for an employer that encourages you to learn about these different areas, and RCU is one of them. And two, for those of you who don't know RCU, we attract very passionate individuals who are service oriented and people driven, and we are all focused on one mission, which is to help our members and our communities to achieve their financial well-being, to support their goals and their dreams. And it's a pretty magical place to work alongside other individuals. I'm constantly inspired every day to be working with genuinely kind-hearted people who are passionate, and we're all focused on this one goal, this one mission. And it just makes it a magical place. And so as you work in different areas, you will see that every business, every industry has its own culture, has its own flavor and feel. And so depending on your values and what's important to you, it's important to align what is important with your values as well as your company. So that's really what I love about RCU is our mission, it's the people, and it's the fact that we get to help people with their financial well-being. Some tips I'd like to share with you or impart upon you is to always stay curious, be an eager learner, have that growth mindset that we talked about. Things are constantly fluid, and being able to change and adapt in the moment is really critical. Also, to have fun and be passionate for what you do. Second, my mom always taught me, to see opportunities as gifts. And so to receive these opportunities, when something comes up, receive it, accept it. And I guarantee more often than not, you will learn something about yourself, whether it's personally or professionally. And then last but not least, know that you have a community that has your back. Right? We are here, your gente, your comunidad is here. We are rooting for you every step of the way. We believe in you. You believe in yourself, but know that you've got a whole family here rooting for you. So those are really just my tips I'd like to share with you, but really just want to wish you continued success. Keep doing the amazing work that you are doing. Happy New Year's. Wish you all the best in your future endeavors. And stay strong and positive, and remember that you are a gift. You are meant to do great things. The sky is the limit. All right. Thank you, and have a great day.